Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course. Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain you about the course which name is Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course offered by Taasir Dawakhana Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program I will brief you about what is male infertility, why it happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indications, male infertility types and how to cure this disease. Viewers, first of all we should know about this infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affect on the person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. In general, the normal range testosterone range in males is about 270 till 1070 nanograms per deciliter with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Luteinizing hormone LH is a hormone produced by gonadotrophic cells in the anterior pituitary gland. In males where luteinizing hormone LH had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormones. It stimulates Leydig cell production of testosterone. For male, the normal range is 1.24 till 7.8 international units per deciliter. If luteinizing hormone LH level are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone LH, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH is a gonadotropin, a synthesized and secreted by gonadotrophic cells of the interior pituitary gland and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone FSH level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone FSH level in a male may mean to be testicle are not functioning correct, while low follicle stimulating hormone FSH levels in male may indicate problem with the pituitary glands in the brain. Indications are if you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is an inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have been previously pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problems. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common cause of male infertility includes abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, conditions related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environment elements. Types of disease. Viewers, semen produced in testicle. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele and the second one is varicocele. Hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappears without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the vein within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your legs. Varicoceles are more common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. There are three types of sperm diseases named as azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia. Now I will tell you about what is azoospermia. Viewers, azoospermia is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperms. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cells in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual wealth of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get as maintain as erection as well as produce ejaculation at organism. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I explained, the normal sperm count is between 200 till 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety, abnormal hormonal level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of life and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed via semen analysis with fertility screening performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. Reasons are there are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million sperm. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 divided by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperm. 200 divided by 70% is equal to 140 million active inactive sperms, and 200 divided by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperms. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperms get mature in 84 days. Infertility maybe occurs because of different sperm diseases. Taseer Dawakhana has been established in 1946, and you can recover from all these diseases using Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Hakim Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, ready doctors, pharmacists, and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course cures azoospermia, leucospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cells, infection, hormonal level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of a semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increases HGH hormonal level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is unique formulation, contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina, and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow, because the ingredients in Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is its highest quality and verified or purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable, and efficient, and it is a multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of a person and improves the physical health. Special impact of quality is to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis length, and especially the gain to help your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem in penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. For better cure, avoid sexual relationship with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, beans, beef, all spices in cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and makes you infertile. So avoid to do this. Quit smoking. Tobacco has also multi-negative effects on fertility. Not to mention your general health and the health of your fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of a development sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experience psychological stress had poorer results with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course and spend happy life with your family. If you or your known person have infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Dalai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course, which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topics and treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.